Dear student, welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Aisha Siddika Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal English Professional School. Morning shift. Today I am going to take a class for class 4 and today's topic is a sunny day with color. So dear student, look at the board and draw with me. First remember that you always divide your page by your imagination, that like this. Okay, look, it's half of land and half of the upper, that means sky section. That means never ever the sky is smaller than the land section. So it's very important for the drawing. First, here I have already mentioned that a scenery of a sunny day. That's why I draw a tree which one the symbol of a summertime, that is the jackfruit tree. Look, it's very easy. Okay, give the jackfruit. And I have just draw this box not for you. It's box that's suppose this one is your copy. Okay, then draw the house. Look where I am start the house, just the level of the half portions. Then give the far villages like this and give here a house also. It's not mandatory. If you want, you can give here a house also. Give the path. And draw a figure and draw an umbrella. For the heat protector, the man use the umbrella. Though here mentioned sunny day, you must draw a sun. For a better composition, you can give here the banana tree. this type of tree. Okay, and then give her some grass for finishing. This is the main scenery. So you must draw the scenery first carefully. After that you will go for the color. So dear student, now I will brief you what type of color I have used on your topic. Look at this. I have already colored for you. Here I have used very light sky color because here mentioned that is sunny day. For sunlight there is no cloud. Okay. Then I have used then I have colored the field portion. First sky portion, then field portion. That's why you all must color the big portion. That means the big portion first, then the small portion. That means that house is the small portion. Here is the small area also. So you must color first big space. The field and the sky is the most big space of this scenery. After that, and I have used here lemon green and deep yellow, and after that I have used here light yellow, light green, deep green and deep blue also. And on the jackfruit I have used yellow ochre, that means deep yellow color, and this figure, the tree's figure on the stem I have used here the brown and black and orange color also. And here on the haystack I have used deep yellow, and on house roof I have used light yellow, because when sunlight give the shine it makes shining, that means light, it's too much light color. Here on the this space on the house figure I have used here the cream color, and on the door I have used here brown and black color, and for the same are rest of the house also. And on this portion I have used very softly used pastel color, and this one is also brown color. And look the man, this man I have used red and blue color, and here I have used orange, black and brown color again. So my dear student, on the this banana tree I have used deep color first on two leaf. Here I have used light green, and here is more light green, and the far portion I have used light green and deep green like this. Okay, I just sketch like this type of sketch, and here I have used green and blue, and this portion brown. So my dear student, and on the sun I have used here orange and yellow color and give the shine. If you want you can here give some yellow color also, but it's very softly, not so deep. So I have so I think you all have understood my today's class. I already brief you on your live class also. You must practice at your home, and this one is your HW, and HW number is 3. This one is CW number 3, HW number 3 also. You must write on your copy the topic a scenery of a sunny day with color. After that write down the CW number, HW number also, and after that you will start your drawing and finish it very carefully. So my dear student, no more today. Thank you.